What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So in this day and age where we have different AI tools which are able to answer virtually all of our questions, well, it's no surprise that this is another domain where AI is already integrating itself. And so it's a domain of call centers. And so basically call centers are these places where, or these people you can call whenever you have an issue, whenever you have a question, whenever you have a query. And since AI tools are already able to answer so much of our questions and can be trained on our data, companies are making use of these AI tools now to answer calls. So you can literally call into a company and you're going to be speaking to an AI which has a human voice. So it's quite amazing. It's quite interesting. And there's a lingering question of the ethical, usage of that. But nevertheless, the efficiency, it's undoubted. So there are these tools you can use now to kind of set up an AI call center for your company. And so we're going to be checking out some of them in this video. And so already the first we're going to be looking at is Retail AI that you can find at retailai.com, on which is a very interesting tool. So you say you meet your AI call center from the future. And so you can see some of the companies list on here. I'm not sure about that. The IVR voice agent, IVA voice agent, and third gen voice AI are the different models they propose. So what is Retail? An LLM-based human-like voice-first conversational AI platform. And so you can try it for free, and they equally have some paid versions, paid subscription versions as well. So you can try out a demo. And so this is already something we have already seen before. ChatGPT has an audio mode where you can converse with the AI tool as well. So this is nothing new. But the specificity of this one is that it's going to be trained on the data of the company, and its main purpose will be just answering the questions related to the company. So you cannot just be asking it everything. And so this is a tool you can already purchase right now for your company and set it up, and you can set up a whole call center which answers to the different people who call into your company. It's equally a way of programming it and determining the responses it's going to be giving. And so it's a true omni-channel communication, voice, call, chat, SMS, and equally comes with an API integration. So a telephony stack optimized for reach, reliability, and results, enterprise-grade security and reliability, and seamless integration with your tech stack. So this is an interesting way AI is already being used across the world. And so we have some different tools as well. Retail was the first, but we have some others as well. AI call center software and how it works. Let's check out this. It's smart uses of AI in call centers. No, that's the future of AI call center automation in 2025. And call center modernization. And so there are tools out there. Just need to do some research, you'll be able to find them. So for example, this is one already. I'm trying to get the name. AirCall, best for human first AI. You have Dialpad, I guess. Zendex equally has an integration. Nomax, and many other tools as well. So you can definitely check out these tools, and they're going to help your company to set up a whole AI call center. The advantage, obviously, of this is saved costs. You don't need to set up a physical place for for people to come in to answer calls. You have to hire a lot less staffs. For example, setting up a call center might require spending much money on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, to run the whole place. But with this, you have a pay-as-you-go plan where, depending on the means of calls, on the AI voices you get billed, and so on and so forth. So you see, it comes with prepaid plans that are definitely much more affordable than setting up a whole call center. And so so it's very interesting, a way of using AI. And personally, I've never made a call with a call center AI, but I'm guessing it's you kind of figured it out, right? They are not going to be speaking in a way a human being is going to be speaking. Sometimes humans speak above each other, but we still understand each other. But the AI is kind of going to receive what you say, process it before giving you a response in a certain amount of time. And so so you can have this Cartesia voice AI like you've never heard before. So breakthrough naturalness. And so breaking through the naturalness is really the toughest thing here, because it's going to be difficult. Context savvy accuracy for real world. sonic response faster than you can blink. So they say this tool, Cartesia, has a 40 millisecond response time, So yeah, empowering agents across industries and personas, fluent and native worldwide. Wow, it's a bold claim. Is it really fluent in all of the languages worldwide? Well, there are some languages they have listed on here. So you can see Swedish, Spanish, and so on and so forth. You have the Americans, you have the Eastern Europe. Disappointed not to see Africa on here. Developer first, enterprise ready. It comes with an SDK, an API, and even a playground for you to test things out. And you can see the team who works on that. Yeah, so there you have it. You have some amazing AI call center tools which are being developed across the world and are already being used. So don't get surprised if you call into a company one day and the response you get is from an AI system. Finally, you equally have these voice AI agents for developers as well. So teams at trailblazing startups to Fortune 500 companies deploy voice agents on the VP platform, the most configurable API to build living voice AI products and scale phone operations. So making voice AI simple and accessible moves the needle and so on here. So you have some of these tools out there. Definitely check them out, and maybe in your company you could implement one of those so that it sets up a whole call center for your company. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.